Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to unboxing these new AirPod Pros 3. So AirPod Pros 3 just came out. It is September 19th, 2025. That's what the packaging looks like. Let's do it. Nice little pull tabs. Really excited for these. The reviews look good. Wow. Got a good amount of tips this year. I think there's like 5 tips, so I heard the fit's a lot better. Ooh, even this is different. It's like a paper. Used to be clearer paper before. This is nice. Feels really good. Really nice unboxing experience. Case feels good. Oh, I really like how the LED's hidden now. Wow, see how it just disappears in the case? Ooh. Really excited for these. All right, let's check this out. Yeah, we got 5 tips included. It's the medium, small and large here, extra small, and XX small. So medium is default on the AirPods. Very nice. Really excited to try these. So AirPod Pros, one of the best accessories, probably the best accessory I have from Apple. So props to them for improving the active noise cancellation. The fit is what I've heard, but I'll test these out. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section below. I'll be unboxing the new Apple Watch Ultra 3 in a video tomorrow. So stick along, watch along, and I will also be unboxing a iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange as well, picking that up tomorrow. All right, everyone, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. And yeah, catch you all next time. Later.